What's up, hustlers? Ready to break down the game for building a killer online business? Forget the fluff. We're diving into 10 actionable steps that move the needle. If you're ready to put in the work, this is your playbook. Let's crush it. Look, you can't be everything to everyone. That's a recipe for mediocrity and getting lost in the noise. You gotta own your niche. Who are you obsessed with serving? What problem are you solving that keeps them up at night? Understand your audience better than they understand themselves and become the go-to solution in their world. Dominate that space. Your brand is your reputation, your vibe, the feeling people get when they interact with your business. It better be fire. Think about your logo, your colors, the tone of your message. It's got to be consistent. And don't be afraid to show some personality. In a sea of sameness, your unique flavor is your advantage. Own it. Your website isn't just a formality, it's your 24/7 salesperson. First impressions matter. It needs to be clean, easy to navigate, and mobile-friendly. Nobody's waiting for a slow website, so optimize that load time. Make it crystal clear what you want people to do on your site. Buy now, learn more, sign up. Don't make them guess.
First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually
Chapter 4. Social media, your content playground. Stop scrolling and start strategizing. Where do your ideal customers hang out? Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Go to them. Don't just post randomly, provide value. Educate, entertain, inspire. Experiment with paid ads to reach a wider audience. It's a numbers game, so get in the game. Chapter 5. Email marketing, the long game. Build your email list like it's your most prized possession. Offer something irresistible, a free ebook, a discount code, exclusive content. Then stay top of mind with valuable newsletters, updates and promotions. Personalization is key. Nobody wants to feel like a number, so make it about them. Chapter 6. SEO, get found online. You can have the best website, but it means nothing if nobody can find it. SEO is your secret weapon. Do your keyword research. What are people searching for in your niche? Use those keywords in your content, blog posts, and meta descriptions. It's a long game, but organic traffic is worth the effort. Chapter 7. Products or services over-deliver every single time. Your products or services are the heart of your business. They must be exceptional. Go above and beyond to wow your customers. Listen to their feedback and strive for continuous improvement. Under-promise, over-deliver. It's the oldest trick in the book for a reason. Chapter 8. Build trust like it's your job. Trust is the currency of the online world. Showcase credibility through reviews, testimonials, and case studies. Make customer support a priority. Respond quickly, be helpful, and resolve issues. Transparency builds trust, so be upfront about pricing, policies, and values. Chapter 9. Partnerships. 2 is better than 1. You don't have to do this alone. Explore affiliate marketing and strategic partnerships. Collaborate with influencers or businesses that align with your brand. Create win-win situations where everyone benefits, especially your customers. Chapter 10. Analyze, adjust, repeat. This isn't a set-it-and-forget-it game. Constantly track your progress. Use tools like Google Analytics, double down on strategies driving results, and pivot if something isn't performing. Stay flexible, stay agile, and always be optimizing. Outro your empire starts now. Building a successful online business takes guts, hustle, and heart. There will be setbacks and moments of doubt. Remember why you started. Deliver insane value, build trust, and stay adaptable. Put in the work, stay consistent, and success will follow. Now go crush it.